Let's welcome on court, first of all, Joel Makin. And his opponent, a man who is hunting the world #1 spot from Peru, Diego Elias.
That's a great shot. Terrific shot.
And out.
Good hold as well.
5-1.
Well, it's an asset that you really want to utilise, your speed, if you've got it. You want to be able to use it to attack, like you say, and not just when you're under pressure defending. Not everybody's got that power and the stability in that position that he has in the front corners as well. What a rally from Makin, by the way. The squash is the tactics as well. He's very clear on intentionally where he's wanting to place this ball. And he's just hitting every shot with conviction, whether it's in the back or in front. Oof.
Well, that's a cracker.
And out.
That's a cracker. He's got to respond here. He's
That's a great hold. Oh, what a fantastic shot from Elias. So delicate. All came from the hold.
3-7.
Oh, very accurate.
just hear his outward emotion, knowing that he's just trying to stop a small momentum shift from Diego Elias. Actually enjoying it out there, Joel Makin.
Yeah, you can tell. There's so much subtle work going in
Down.
that you can tell he's really relaxed.
And out.
He's feeling good.
4-8.
Subtle holds here and there.
Hugely technical. Classic player, Diego Elias. Word. What a shot. It was half court, but
And out.
fizzing it round.
9-5.
This is one of the best singular games I've ever seen from the Golden Tiger.
On song.
Game to
Yeah,
Makin.
got what it
Makin
deserved. It was in the middle of the
One
court,
game
and he's thrashed it through with tremendous severity. The crisp hitting and variations coming from Joel Makin are second to none. It's a great rally.
Oh, what a rally.
That is an outrageous rally. It's the best rally of the match so far. A temperate clap, a decent clap from the crowd, quite respectful. I want to hear.
I like that.
Yeah, it's the expressive side. Like I said, he's kind of enjoying himself. He's been a bit more kind of articulate and quirky with his body movements, and that will help him with his quest for deception. Oh,
that's a great shot. That is a tremendous finish. Again, the open racket face. Caressed it.
so I don't necessarily think it was needed to be said, of course, and the players are just in that nice zone where we're getting a really hot, competitive early stage of the second. Oh, that's such. That is. I'm going to have to take my toupee off to the director there because that was outrageous. He's played Diego Elias many times, knew that shot was coming. That's why we got the cut from the front. He did put force through, but he didn't lift his foot up and then step, which we've seen that, and we saw it at Blackburn now, you know, on a rare occasion. Not from necessarily Joel, but other players. So just slightly miscalling that. Too good. Too good.
Such a good finish.
Too good. It's too good. I mean, he's locked this in.
4-3.
I mean, it's very, very low. He's not in the best of 3 format from Makin at 7-4 and 1 love. Great shot, lovely shot.
And out.
He's a stately galleon, isn't he? Diego Elias, that's straight back, just cruising around the waters. Can't believe it. He's
and out.
got his hand over his brow there.
8-7.
There was an average shot from Makin, and then the ting comes and game on again.
Yeah, it's early. Again, like you said, Joey, Makin using his speed, get onto the ball, attack early, and take the time away from Elias.
So Joel Makin serving with 3 match balls for a monumental scalping. And he's done it. Joel Makin's done it. He's gone absolutely nuts.
2 games to love.
Pumped up to the max there. Diego Elias's time at Canary Wharf has come to a quick end, but goodness gracious me. The Golden Tiger has played a terrific best of 3, 32 minutes as well. 11-5, 11-7, 2-love victory. Well, he'll be speaking even quicker than usual when he's interviewed now with Alan.
What a magnificent match and a brilliant performance by Joel Makin.